Hey, what's up everyone? So welcome back to another video. And remember, like a few weeks ago I showed you an official Steam for Windows 10 mobile. It was like authenticator and chat, but today I'm gonna show you the official Steam. But here it is. But the best thing about this Steam is the guy from the unofficial Steam, it was hired by Valve, so he himself made the new Steam, the official Steam, and it works pretty fine. You have the store, you have the authenticator. Yeah, I guess still this error, but it works after some time, after you like retry. But the build is the version is still like in early version 1.1.2, but it works pretty good. Only this Steam Guard, it will work after some time. It worked for me before, but how I'm using the Steam on my Android device, I'm getting this one, but after I'm retrying a few times it will work. You'll see, maybe after that it will work. Here are the confirmations, but on the confirmations how I got in my Android, put here a password. I got on confirmations on the Android device. It says you can't receive confirmation on this device because you have to remove on this one. But as you can see, it looks pretty much the same. Let's go also in the store, the chat. Let's go in chat, for example. In chat, until it loads, it shows you like everyone is offline, but then it loads and comes here. Here, let's go to Pamo, for example. Let's go here as well, chat, Pamo, and as you can see, yeah, chat is different. But when you go into the friends, I mean, it's a bit different. Yeah, it's nice that it's a bit different, but it's more or less like the same. Let's go into store. The store, it's pretty much the same. Oh, again, this password, I don't like when I put it once and I have to put it more times. Here you can see the Steam, the store, it's pretty much very much the same. Where is it? Grand Theft Auto, it looks the same. Let's see if the Steam Guard it come back. Yeah, the Steam Guard, you see it come back, but and the Steam Guard, it looks very much the same. Oh, I pressed help. It looks very much the same like on Android. As you can see, it looks identical, almost identical. Remove authenticator, my recovery code, help. But how I'm using this phone to get the codes, you see here, you'll enter your code each time, blah blah. But I have to remove first the code here to be able to use it here. But as you can see, it works. You have the chat, you have the store, switch account. And the settings, you have only changed the language and exit the application, but it works pretty fine. And the application, as you can see, it has the hamburger menu, but it has the hamburger menu because it has an Android, and it might look like it's a Windows 10 universal application, but it's not a Windows 10 universal application. This application, the Steam official, let's go into store, it works for Windows Phone 8 as well, which is a nice move. It's always better to have a Windows 10 native application, but it's always nice to see companies when they also have Windows Phone 8 and also Windows 10, or just have an application that is like modern UI for Windows, that works for Windows 8 and works also for Windows 10, which is this one here. Where is it? Steam. Yeah, here it is, Steam, and you will see the minimum requirements are Windows 8, available only on mobile. So how it's not a universal application, it's not available for tablets or desktop. And as you can see, Windows Phone 8 or higher, which is still nice because there are more people that use Windows Phone 8 or 8.1 at this moment than Windows 10, and it's a nice move from Valve to make the application for Windows Phone 8 at the moment, and which works for both. Maybe in the future when Windows 10 gets more more users and more users, maybe they will like change the application, but so far it works pretty nice. And also the layout, it's like familiar as on Android. Let's go here. Yeah, on the store here it's almost the same, but on the store here you see, you don't see. On the store here on the Android you see that's separate, like catalog, cart, search, wishlist, Steam news, but here you go straight to store, and then you have community, your friends, library, support, settings. Yeah, of course the version for Android has much more settings, but how this is like just has like a few weeks, maybe 1 week and a half since it got released. It works pretty good. Now if you want to use the Steam guards on your phone and you didn't have an Android, for example, you can use it on your Windows Phone device. Of course you could use it before with the unofficial Steam guard, but of course, like many people are saying, but it's, you know, unofficial, it might be risky, blah blah blah. Well, you got here the official one. It's made by the same guy, which is nice, because I mean, if a guy who was passionate and made an application for Windows Phone, and maybe many people are saying him, oh, you don't have future there, well, here is his future. Valve hired him and now he has a job, let's say a job. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the new official Steam, and let me know if you have any other new applications that come to the Windows ecosystem that I missed. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.